Okay, I'm going to show you one way that you can use QuickTime Player to create a video with your face talking and presenting a PowerPoint. So the first thing that you're going to do, I open my PowerPoint up, I have it opened, and I can make it the window smaller or bigger. And so I get it about to be this size for the screen on the computer. And then I go up to the magnifying glass and I search for QuickTime Player and I double click it and it comes up in the bottom right. I don't need this window. And then once I click on QuickTime Player down here at the bottom, I go to the top and I do File and I do New Movie Recording. And it pulls up the movie screen and I make it smaller. So you can do that by going to the corner or on the side. Just go to the side till that little arrow shows up and then make it as small as you possibly can make it. And then I go back up here to the top left and I do New Screen Recording and it pops up this window. And then I also drag this over. So I just click on it and drag it over for the screen recording. Now, once I have that kind of set up, I go and I click on the orange of the PowerPoint and it says PowerPoint at the top. And I go to Slideshow and I go to Setup Show. And then I click Browse by an individual window. And once I have that selected, I hit OK. And then I go underneath the orange ribbon, I go to Slideshow, and then I click Play from Start. And then it plays your PowerPoint within that one little window. Now we're going to start recording your screen in PowerPoint and you can present. So we're going to click Screen Recording and the little record button. And now it's recording the screen and my face and the PowerPoint. You will have to click on the PowerPoint and move it kind of towards the front to be able to advance it. So once you click on that, then you can use the arrows to advance your slides. And you can narrate the slides and your face will be on the side. And you can move this up or down. You will have a little bit of this stuff right here, but that's okay. But you just click on the PowerPoint and you can advance it and you can present your PowerPoint and you can talk about these different things that you want to in your PowerPoint, and it's recording all of this screen. Once you're done, you come up to the top and you click Stop, the little stop button right here, and it pulls up your video. So let's just check our video. We're going to click Play and move it so you see towards the front to be able to advance it. So once you click on that, then you can use the arrows to advance your slides. So it's recorded my face and it's recorded me moving the slides and talking about the slides. So then once you're done with that, you can go to the untitled. Actually, what I want you to do is you can go up to File and then Save. And then it's going to ask you for a name of this, and I'm just going to say Classroom Practice Video. And then you'll select Desktop if desktop isn't already selected, and then you'll click Save. And then it saves it to your desktop. So I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to close out of this. And there it is, right there on my dashboard. So that is how you do that. Thank you.